Welcome to the Daily Routine and Habit Tracker, a powerful Notion template designed to help you build better habits and stay consistent every single day. This template is divided into three main sections: habits, streak, and journal. Let's start with the habits section. Here, you'll find all your habits displayed in a clean gallery view. You can click on New Page to create a new habit, customize it, and start tracking right away. Each habit has simple checkboxes to mark your progress, and just below that, you can fill in your daily statistics, things like pages read or any custom metric. Each day, your progress is visualized with a progress bar, showing how many of your habits you've completed. Super motivating. Now moving on to the streak section. Here you can track your current and longest streaks, helping you stay committed and push for consistency. You'll also find a completion rate, which shows the percentage of habits completed, a great way to quickly see how well you're doing over time. Finally, there's the journal section. This one automatically pulls the data you entered under each habit and displays a full summary of your progress. It allows you to compare your days, reflect on your routine, and spot any patterns. You can also track things like the total number of pages read or your Duolingo points, anything you want to measure daily. And that's it. That's how the daily routine and habit tracker works: simple, visual, and powerful. Start using it today and level up your habits, one day at a time.